Ngiyanibingelela nonke. Nginibingelela egameni likaJesu.
Haleluya.
Bengicela ukumema nami. Kunomunye umama ohlakaniphile othi I come as one but stand as 10,000. Ngicela ukumema the 10,000 ehamba nami. Siyabonga Baba, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga Baba, wesiyami. Siyabonga Baba, siyabonga Jesu, siyabonga bomama nabobaba. Ngicela mangithi bomama nazi uthi nani ngiyanibala, ningafili ngathi anginibali. So bomama nonke ngiyanamukela, ngiyabonga. Ngibonga ubukhona benu, kakhulukazi ngibonga lo mama osesisukumile njengamanje. Ngifuna nje ukumbonga naye ngokuthi bazalwane ngithema ngikhipha umbono wathi ngiyawuthanda lo mbono, wathi kulo mbono lona ngizogijima nawe kuwe, ngizokubamba ngesandla. Uma endleleni silokhu sikhuluma uyasho ukuthi mothers and daughters, kwaba nokuthi kimi vele ke nomama nginaye, ngiyamfisa vele umama ozongibamba ngathi ngeke ngisasuka kuye. So bazalwane sengiyi-speaker sokugcina senilambile nje, ngiyazi ukuthi kuncane kakhulu enizokuzwa ngoba nje esenikujahile kakhulu sekuyikudla. And okunye ngithi angikubalule ukuthi ngizizwa ngimncane, ngizizwa ngufisho omncane la phakathi kwenu nonke. Ngizizwa angazi bizwani lo fishi lona phakathi kwama-sharks. Ngizizwa ngathi le ndawo lena ayingifanelanga. Kuwe wonke amagama asekhulunyiwe, ngizizwa ngathi mina engizokusho sekuhlukile manje. Kodwa nje ugogo ehleli laphayana, gogo Mabhanana, uhlale ngikhumbuza athi Zandile hamba ngalawo mandla amancane onikwe wona. So nje mina ngizocela ukuhlala kuleso scripture nje leso sika Gideon, uma ezibona ngathi akafanele ingilosi ifike ithi wena kahle kahle indoda yempi. Ngakho namhlanje ngifuna ukuma ngiyindoda yempi, ngifuna ukugijima ngalawo mandla lawo ukuthi konke esashilo umama Ndlamlenze ukuthi ungazinyathi. Yilokho engizokwenza namhlanje bazalwane, ukuthi amandla engigijima ngawo amandla ezulu nami. Sithe uma siwukhuluma umbono, uthe mawufika kimi lo mbono bazalwane, ngithi ngizi-introduce nje kancane. And ngokuzi-introduce kanjena bazalwane kimi kunomngani wami, umngani wami weminyaka. Uyabona laba bantu owazi kahle nje ukuthi umngani wakho, noma ningahlangana after 100 years uyazi ukuthi umngani wakho, she's got your back. Untombi umngani wami, umntanami lona bazalwane. Uma kukhulunywa ngama-mothers and daughters, umntanami ningamboni nje, usisi wami loyana sele sobabili ekhaya. So nje ngiliqala lolu hambo ngokukhulu nje ukulikhatha bazalwane. Yabona uma kukhulunywa ukuthi ngoba ngifuna ukugcina kodwa ngenxa yokuthi isikhathi sincane ngicela nje ukuyihlanganisa ngiyithathe lapha ngiyibeke laphaya. So nguZandile wasemancwangeni ngidabuka eMondlo. So ekhaya kithi sasizalwe siwu4. Sathi masikhula ubaba washona nje, mina ngina 3, umabuya kambonanga. So sikhuliswa uma su3. Ngo-2005 uNkulunkulu wamkhumbula usisi wami. Sasala sababili noma sobabili noma. Ngo-2011 uNkulunkulu wamkhumbula uma sasala sobabili. So bazalwane, imission yanamhlanje comes from pain. It comes from the longing. It comes from yabona nje mangithi uma kukhulunywa ngomuntu who's been through the university of life. Yabona mangihlala kulelizwe ukuthi uJehova ezothi hamba ngamandla akho nawo. Ngiyangithi bangibuza kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi Thixo kodwa yini ongibekele yona? Kangangokuthi this year early January ngizizwa manje ukuthi kunento eshodayo empilweni yami. ngiyashoda angizange esontweni ngalelo langa ngalova ngathatha abantwana bami abancane abayothusa epark ngangiphethe lencwadi bazalwane ngihleli nje ingane idlala lapha ngizizwa ukuthi kunento uJehova afuna ngiyenze engingayenzi ngithi mangilala ngizizwa ukuthi lashona ilanga ngingayenzanga into makusekuseni ngiyaqhubeka nelanga kodwa manje ngiyashoda ubizo liyambiza umuntu yabona makukhulunywa ngomuntu obiziwe futhi ngiyabonga ngoba ngishumayela to the converted already so niyayazi leyo nto ukuthi ubizo alumyeki umuntu angafakaza uJona ukuthi wathi la esebiziwe washona le kodwa isandla sikaJehova sathi uzobuyela so nje ngifuna ukuthi ngathi ngihleli ngalelo langa kunentombazane eyafika bengimemile uBhasani mayefika uBhasani wayekade ebuye esontweni yena athi Zandi uJehova ungitshela izolo ebusuku wathi namhlanje ngize epark ngiyaqala ukufika kule park ngithi mina okay athi uJehova beshilo ukuthi kunentombazane okufanele uyithinte kunomlilo okufanele uvuse ngithe mangimxoxela ukuthi Bhasani angazi uJehova ukuthi uthini kodwa engikwaziyo mina ngifila ngathi I've lost my purpose I know ukuthi I should be going to Tarashish but mina ngishona le eNinive angazi ukuthi kufanele ngenzani sakhuleka naleyo ntombazane sithe masikhuleka uthi hey ibook ile ncwadi oyifundayo is interesting what is it about ngithi mina it's unshakable mastering self leadership through adversity wathi that's interesting ibhalo bana ngiyazi ngithi mina ubhekene nombhalo wayo athi Zandi namanga ngithi mina bheka athi Zandi ngampangazitha athi ngeke ngithi bheka isithombe wasibheka isithombe wathi how Zandi wenze njani ngawe why are you here ngithi mina fanele ngibe kuphi athi no you are not supposed ngithi fanele ngibe kuphi sakhuleka nalo ntombazane athi uNkulunkulu uzokubonisa ukuthi fanele uyephi ngathi yila ekwazalwa khona umbono we-unshakable Queen's movement because ngithema ngicabanga ngithi mina bangakanani omama abadinga nje umuntu ozobathinta athi nje kuye remember who you are umuntu ongeke yabona nje uNtombi umngani wami asikuthi ngithenga amehlo ngafike ngamxoxela umntanami endlini ngithi yazi Sibonelo uNtombi uthe kimi namhlanje mina abantu basalindile because I was very clever esikoleni like nje I was exceptional not knowing ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubekeni kimi ngangi exceptional nje nabo bathi kunento abalindile abazi balindele omunye wathi kimi ngelinye ilanga Zandi nakho siguga singakakubona eTV ngithi mina ngizongibona ngenzani eTV wathi silindile so leyo nto leyo kimi yasho ukuthi ikhona lento uJehova ayibekile so bazalwane ngingangichitheli nje isikhathi sengibhala incwadi ezu21 lena esengiyiprintile namhlanje i-unshakable eyokuqala engiyiprintile zipublishwe zonke ku-Amazon enye yazo yalezo ncwadi ithi Daddy I'm doing okay because nayo yavuka ngelinye ilanga ngiphoxwe obaba Pastor Mbatha abantu engangithi hayi ngoba ubaba ngikaze ngibe naye bangikhahlelela ngaphandle ngathi mangifika endlini umoya wami ubuhlungu kwafanele ngibhale incwadi ngibhalela ubaba wami ngithi baba wami you are not here but I'm doing okay umhlaba is cruel for mina obaba are cruel for mina but I'm doing okay ukuthi vele wahamba I know ukuthi you did not choose to leave me at that time but I'm doing okay even though kunesikhala bazalwane yabona singomama nje ene ngiyabonga ukuthi omama asebelwazi uhambo mina ngithi mangifika kuma relationship awasebenzi because I don't know what a man is. I don't know how to treat a man. I don't know who is a man. So ngithi mama ngibuyisele emumva nithi vele mina azange ngayibona indoda mina sathi masikhule ekhaya makufanele kupendwe umama thatha ibrush kupendwe makufanele kulungiswe iglobu uzathatha iglobu sigibele so manje ngizorelate kanjani nomuntu wesilisa because mina ngiyazi iloko ilimit umuntu wesilisa nje mayethi umsebenzi kamama lona angazi mina umsebenzi kamama nomsebenzi kababa ukuthi yini so bazalwane lapho engifuna ukuya khona ke namhlanje ukuthi ngalamandla enginikwe wona ngethemba uJehova ukuthi sithe masiplana lento nomama ngithi mina I want to launch my book and launch a movement. Ngifuna ukulauncha i-healing space for women. Ngoba asibona uyabona nje umama mayethi izandla ayilingani kanjalo kunomfanekiso wamathalente kuthi namathalente awu5 kodwa ukhona lo wanike lodwa. Thina bamathalente angithi ngigijima amandla enginikwe wona. Thina bamathalente amahlanu ake simbambe lo wethalente elilodwa. Asiyo ukuthi simbamba ngamandla ethu, simbamba simlethe enkosini ngoba ngithi inkosi elaphayo. Phela umnini wenhliziyo inkosi kahle kahle. So thina sithi ngalamandla esinikwe wona umuntu wesifazane, whatever you are going through, that's your crown. Lento oyinika impilo ekwenzayo, it's your crown. And uma uzala i-crown yakho isuke perfect. Ekuhambeni komhlaba ize iwe uze uyiyeke nawe ubone ukuthi awusayidingi. So mina namhlanje ngalamandla enginikwe wona ngithi mina owesifazane futhi nje ngiyabona nokuthi kuye kwafanele ukuthi ngishintshe ithuni yale meeting ngoba ngitshela ukuthi kuzoba nabesifazane abazothi mina ngilimele. Mina I need the healing. Kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi no, there's healers in this house. Maybe thina uNkulunkulu ebedalile ukuthi uyabona this community of women yibo labo kuzothi mangena umuntu egateini opha athi ngiyopha noma uyazi ukuthi hayi ngake ngopha la awuthi ngimbambe la omunye athi ngake ngabe kwenzakalani ngidlule khona lana. Then we heal each other with respect. Angeke sihambe sitshela umakhelwane sithi hawu umbona nje kanti unjena. Angeke sithi futhi noma sesimsizile emanxebeni akhe bese sithi hey laphola lelo nxeba. Angeke siyenze leyo nto. So we want to create a space. My vision is to create a space where ngizofika ngithi hey sengifile kuyangihlula ukuba umzali, kuyangihlula ukuba umzali ngisho nanga umntana wami ekhona. Kuyangihlula ukuba umzali bengisasho nje umama ukuthi le topic ngizoyinika wena mama ngoba kwamina I need education. Ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngiyafela onke amalanga. So mangifika kuwe phasi laqundu ngithi angisazi ukuthi ngiyenzeni. Ngifuna ungitshela ukuthi ngabe nowami ngabe nomakhelwane senze ukuthi nawe mawungenza ukuthi. But ke more than le story engikhuluma ngaso sifuna ke manje uku-empowerisha ukuthi ngoba as women angithi we are going through a lot and bengisakhulu besaxoxa nje omaba ukuthi i-trend seyashifta manje. Women are leaders manje, women are household leaders ukuthi sekuyibe insika manje. So namanje uba insika kanjani nawe udinga ukubambelela. So sifuna namhlanje ukuthi asilaphaneni thina sodwa sime khona mase simile because enye yama mission ethu siyabelieve ukuthi owesifazane osepholile uyabapholisa abaseceleni kwakhe. So manje uma nami ngiphola nawe uphola ination yonke iphola isizwe sonke siyaphola and ekupholeni kwethu phela umnini wenhliziyo yedwa udumo lonke luya kuNkulunkulu. So le ncwadi lena ngamakhulu nje amafishane ichaza lento engishoyo kodwa ke ngenze izibonelo khona nowesifazana azorelate athathe sakhe istory athi mina nase sami. So kunentombazane lana enye uZozo izalelwe eMpumalanga, enye uAmina izalelwe Congo, then enye izalelwe Singapore. Kodwa mawusuyibheka zonke lezi zitori zikhuluma into eyodwa ukuthi no matter where you are, no matter ukuthi background yakho injani, you are a crown queen. Ukuthi umhlaba uzokulahlela. Yabona nje umama yethi i-fight is against your destiny. So nathi sisho kanjalo ukuthi balwisa ubuwe balisi ngaphambili lakho. So le crown yakho izolahleka phansi ngenxa yezinto kuzo odlula kuzo, ngenxa yamagama ashiwa abantu, ngenxa yama-beliefs okhulela phansi kwawo. Uzutshela ukuthi haya kungifanele kanti kukufanele. So nje omdinga yilona nje ozothi nje ngesandla athi nakho lapho kufanele ube khona. So nje ngamafishane ipurpose izalwe yilokho i-Unshakable Queens. So manje sithe masikhuluma evikini nobaba la eceleni kwami bangibuza ukuthi so manje i-Unshakable Queens iya-register as NPO as nani. So engingakhona ngokusho ngaleso sikhathi ukuthi yebo iyarejistwa bengishilo lokho, but ama-plans wakhona ngoba omunye nje wenu angazibuza ukuthi okay yebo sesikhonzile sesikhulekile thina sodwa sesilaphene ngezwi, kodwa-ke kusasa kwenzakalani ngoba sithi si-launch i-movement nje kahle kahle senzani. So nawu-ke ulona impendulo yakhona. So namhlanje ngoba kuyi-launch, i-aim ukuthi kube i-healing session. Ngiyajabula ngoba asisekho isidingo because you are the converted, angithi you are the healed nina. So i-aim bekuyileyo ukuthi we heal namhlanje, siyabuyisana ukuthi hayi kulungile man, kulungile namhlanje sizothi kulungile mama mfundisi ukuthi ngikhona. Mawudinga ukukhala ngelinye ilanga noma ngeke ngikusize ngalutho, kodwa nje indlebe yona ngizokunika. Lebo mawudinga ukukhala ngikhona, kodwa angisho ukuthi ngalokho ngizohamba ngiyokwelaphela isimo sakho, ayikho into engizoyenza, kodwa ekugcineni into engizoyenza I'll go with you to the Lord. Ilokho kuphela engizokusho nje ukuthi okay sengilalelile, I'll just go to the Lord with you. Kuphela ngizothi nje enkosini, Nkosi ngoba ngiguqele mina, ngiguqele nangusisi wami ukuthi ungasabheke yami imithwalo nezami izono kwamanje, akubheke ezalona. Hoping and praying simaze simkhonzayo ukuthi mayisemelaphile uzongikhumbula nami, alelaphe nelamizwe, usithembise kanjalo. So i-aim ke namhlanje bekuyukuthi we share stories njengoba nje osisi sebakhulumile, we share stories, after lokho we process the trauma. Thina kulula kithi ngoba akukho sidinga ukwenza physically ke kithi sivele nje sikulahlele, sathi lahlela imithwalo yakho kuye, thina nje siyalahlela. So that's how we process, thina kulula kithi. So after lokho kunalezi ilonda lezi ama-emotional wounds, yabona nje my emotional wounds, angithi phela ngifihli lutho, angifihli lutho ngoba lapho esengidlule khona mhlawumbe ilapho wena osazofika khona. Mina sengifikile ngadlula ngaqede ngama, wathi uMandela ngelinye ilanga bengisayisho nje, ngiyayithanda le saying athi it doesn't matter how many times you fall, but ukuthi uvuke kangaki yikho lokho kubalwayo. So nje yilokho nami engifuna ukusho ukuthi kunama-emotional wounds lawo ukuthi uke wabona umuntu ugijima uye bathroom, ufike ukhala, after lokho uyisule uqeda ubuye ufuna abacabanga ukuthi u-right kanti awukho right. You are hurt emotionally, uhurt phakathi kahle lawo ukuthi ube ne-struggle sakho nje, ukuthi ngisho ngathiwa nonke nihleli, ngisho ngathiwa kuyahanjwa, uyazi nakunalento nje kudlayo ngaphakathi kuwe. So yilokho esifuna ukwenza ke manje, ama-classes lawo esizoba nawo. So mhlawumbe kwamanje akunamuntu ozothi hayi mina I need an emotional intelligence class, akunankinga, but kusasa sazi ukhona ozofika athi yazi mina I need a muscle in emotional intelligence. So manje lana ngizogcina khona manje nge-invitation ukuthi ofisayo ke manje kuba yiphathi yale movement, sengiyaqeda bo baba. And then kuneplan esizolenza annually, after 12 months sizobe kuyi-retreat ke ukuthi hayi khwini sesihambile unyaka wonke, how are you, like we are checking in on each other ukuthi asingakuboni ulokhu ugijima nje kuphela, how are you doing, unjani ngempela, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi kulula ukuthi ngenxa yokuthi vele kufane ngibonakale ngathi ngine-energy, ngizama ukuthi ngibonakale kanti ngaphakathi ngi-empty. So manje we tapping in i-retreat yethu la singahamba siye maybe kuphi eBhela bengenza i-example emahlathini, we book siyahlala lapho and then we tap in, we check in ukuthi unjani nani kahle kusahamba kahle na. I-annual retreat leyo angeke ngizisho zonke ngenxa yesikhathi. And then ke la ku-UQM we believe in education, ukuthi i-education umalumama wayethi education ikufundisa ukweqa umgwaqo, education we training the mind. So manje and nge-education ila ke sesithi manje empower, la sesithi we transforming the queens manje into empowerment. Lapho ke sizobe ama-classes futhi nakhona, angaba online, angaba face to face, angaba noma ikuphi ama-platforms maningi manje. La ku-education sifundisana ngezeyimali, financial literacy, sifundisa nge-leadership for women ngoba le ncwadi ithi self leadership. You don't have to have a position to be a leader, you are leading yourself. ukuthi wuwe i-leader, wuwe wenza ama-decisions akho. So leadership for women, and then nama-business startups. Ukhona omunye nje ongathi hayi yazi mina ngiyadecorate, but are you registered? So udinga usizo ukuthi uregister, or did you register waregister ibhizinisi eli-wrong, izinto ezikanjani ukuthi sizofundisana futhi lezo zinto lezo. Khona nezinye futhi ama-2000 abazibiza nge-personal branding, i-branding nje in its entirety. Nakhona lapho sizokwenza kanjalo ukuthi you are a brand, ukuthi and you represent what you want people to see. And if you wanna be seen in this light, musa phela ukwenza lokhuyana izinto ezikanjalo. And then bese kuba i-parenting ke ngizoyishiyela nina leyo ngoba ingihlula impela. And then kukhona nale yokubhalansa impilo, nimbuze nanga asazi. And then khona nama-digital skills. Yabona nje mina ngama-digital skills mawufika nje producer uthi akungicreatele i-company from scratch, nike 2 hours it will be done. Angithi angibreak, it's an open space. So nje kunjalo ukuthi ama-digital skills yimi lo. Yabona nje ama-AI skills abanye bayawesaba, yimi lo. So nomunye angasukuma athi yazi mina ngi-strong la, ngi-strong. And together we building a movement. Bengisatshela omunye ubaba ukuthi this is a genesis of a wave. It's a start of a wave ukuthi li-ride manje leli wave leli gagas leli ngoba mawuthola selilapha lizokuhlula. So and then sizokwenza i-book club. Umama nje besangitshela ukuthi yena ekubhaleni akakwazi but uyaxoxa. Mina-ke ngiyabhala, ngixoxele khona ngizokubhalela. Emveni kwalokho nayo incwadi ezophuma. Angithi siyaphila. We're leaving a legacy for abantwana. We're leaving generational wealth. Ile izinto esizobe sikhuluma ngazo. And then emveni kwalokho-ke sokukhuluma nanganoma iziphi incwadi kule book club. Angithi angesi-create kuphela. Sofunda, sikhulisane, sifundisane. And then there will be a Queens in Academia. Bazalwane angithi le space isi-safe. Uma kuthiwe Queens in Academia, I am a queen in academia. Uma uthi mhlambe unenkinga ngediploma yani ngizothi izasibheke. Uthi mina I'm doing a degree, nithi izasibuke. Uthi mina ngwa honors, nithi asenze kanje. Uthi mina ngwa masters, nithi asenze kanje. Bazalwane angithi it's open. Nomunye uzosho ukuthi esami strength sila asenze kanje. And manje abantwana bethu bayaqeda ko matric. We guide them, career guidance. Ngoba these days yebo siyafuna babe nama degrees but ayabasiza na. Kodwa uma benza ama-course wezandla siyabasiza khona lapho bavula ibhizinisi, uqala ibhizinisi elingaka umntwana uyothetha 30 years uyi-millionaire. So nje angithi sesihambile indlela thina, ngakho sigayida abalandelayo ukuthi bangaweli lapho esiwele khona thina. And then thina we have access to ama-information wama-bursary nani. So nje siyabanika zonke lezo zinto lezo confidence building in academia. So ama-topic lawo esizowafaka sengizosho nje lokugcina ngeke ngiwafunde wonke ngoba ngishilo ukuthi i-calendar i-full already. So nje engizogcina ngalo uku-invite ukuthi who wants to be part of a UQM, but angikafiki lapho. Emveni kwalokho kuzoba khona i-leadership accelerator program. Leadership accelerator ke lena i-program cishe yiyende kunawo wonke la e-UQM. Lena si train ama leaders ke manje, we training future leaders, we training ama current leaders, we training on how to lead without a position, how to be ready ukuthi yaze yavela leso space leso, you are ready when you are equipped ukuthi uma kuthiwa namhlanje kufuna i-manager yani awutholakala u-ready. So leyo program leyo izorana u6 weeks or u6 weeks noma u6 months, izorana u6 weeks. Emveni kwalokho laba bazobe bengenile bayenza baqeda so khona ukubanika you will get a certificate uzosho ukuthi ngakufunda ukuthi nokuthi. And then ologcina engifuna ukuhlala kulo ileli lama queen to queen mentorship. Ngoba yabona nje mina mangingakhuluma ngesami story, mina ngathi mangisuka emakhaya ngenxa ukuthi entombi babecabanga ukuthi ngihlakaniphile. Ngathi mina hayi ngizoyokwenza i-diploma i-internal auditing, ngichazwa igama ngazi ukuthi internal auditing yini. Nithi mangifika eklasini angazi nokuthi kukhulunywa ngani. Internal auditing ngaya sengenza unyaka wesithathu ukuthi kahle yini futhi kwakuyinto engingayifuni. kodwa ngenxa yokuthi ngayichoose without guidance. So ngayichoose kwafanele ngisticke kuyo futhi ngenxa yokuthi ngangiphumaphi. Ngasticka kuyo and I had to make it work. So izinto ezikanjalo ke manje ngifuna mangikhuluma ngequeen to queen mentorship. Sizobe provide ama mentorship. Yabona nje mama ba Lukhalo. Khalo yabona nje umama Khalo uma fika umfana athi hayi miyazi mina ngifuna ungisize mhlawumbe ngepublic speaking thola ukuthi strength sakho sesiyamatch sithi okay wena uzoya kumama bani and then seyenziwa ilokho yakhona and then kuzoba nama check-ins bese ngiwashilo kodwa manje lawa ama ongoing ukuthi every month I check up on you on the subject phela not yonke into kulo subject leyo mawukuthi mhlawumbe bekuyi public speaking for example, how are you doing, so how far wenzile ama exercise ukuthi zama nokuthi yabona si track progress. I mentorship leyo mentorship ke ingaba kunoma yipi I area yempilo yakho ngoba uhlale khona umuntu oseyihambile indlela, so yilowo muntu ke lo ozotrack amagoli wakho eniwenzile and then abone ukuthi asahamba kahleni aku-add okunye akususa okunye kanjalo. Ngisabuyela kulo question ukuthi is anyone willing to join the UQM, but asiqhubeka. And then ngo-August obaba bake babuza ukuthi yindaba silontshe ngoFebruary instead of August inyanga yomama. So thina ngo-August into esiyenzayo sithi give back to the community. Lapho ngiyaye ngithanda abanye omunye uthola ukuthi umakhelwane wakho uyambona umi kahle umcela ukuthi awunginike impahla ezindala, awunginika amathini, awunginika ini ngo-August and phela not ukuthi sizoyilimithela ku-August but izoba i-focus point yethu ngo-August. We give back. Singaya ezikolweni, singaya kuma community affected whatever ma natural disasters, singaya kuphi we give back. And futhi you can even give back your skills ukuthi hayi mina I'm available free of charge, whatever subject bring it to me ngibuye University of Life. Izinto ezikanjalo we give back ngo-August. And then ke i-youth asishiyi ngoba i-youth yethu iyaphuma endleleni abaningi bakhona, so manje abaningi bethu bawomama lana and mhlambe manithi nibheka abantwana benu niyababona ukuthi nenza umsebenzi omuhle, so mhlambe ungangifundisa mina okuthile ukuthi okay kwenziwa kanje nakhona lapho we build our youth, we build the confidence because abanye abantwana bethu bazibulaliswa ukubhulishwa nje. Uthola ukuthi ubhulishela into esimple othi mawuyibheka ukuthi awukodwa ubusungazi uzibulalela ukuthi bathe unesishwapha kunani ngoba umuhle nesishwapha sakho. So izinto ezikanjalo nama career talks ukuthi yebo uyayithanda marketing kodwa marketing ayikufanele wena, ufanele ngabe business management. Izinto ezikanjalo ukuthi ngoba ikhona lento yokuthi i-career ihamba ne-personality. Okay, izinto esizozenza lapho kuningi bazalwane, kuningi angeke ngikubale isikhathi asisekho kodwa i-question imile noma ningangiphendulanga namhlanje kodwa is there anyone available because esikudingayo ama-healing committees, ama-empowerment committees, kuningi esikudingayo. Umuntu angazibona ukuthi yena u-strong kuphi angene la bebesasho nje obaba ukuthi hayi sesiqale enye into, so nje I can't do it alone. I need a sister, I need somebody to hold ukuthi uma ingena lento ngithi hey angibukisa angazi angiboni kahle omunye athi hayi no that's my strong point or that's my zone lethela kimi. So nje I need a sister, I need somebody to hold isandla sami ngoba nama need somebody ozongicheck ukuthi ngisase right na. So nje sengihlala phansi, is there anyone available? I-altar call.
Welcome back to Engaging Life where besleli khona nama queens where UQM beba ne event yabo launching their book and their movement. So yeah,
it's one of those things ukuthi sibonge nje ukuthi sifikile sabona the presence of the Lord as versa of the ladies doing the great things.
Yeah, you know, njengoba ngishilo, it's not about us but it's about the ladies. These two queens esleli nabo bazozisho ukuthi the event ambe kanjani. In fact, the closing remarks, Prophetess Helen.
Yeah, Pastor Moses.
Your closing remarks from ukufika kwabazalwane okanye to ama-guest akho throughout the program till the end?
Ukufika kwama-guest wethu it was bekumnandi and siyabonga ukuthi laba bebakhona yilabo uNkulunkulu bekabakhethile ukuthi bane-divine appointment naye, yibo bebazofixa ama-crown wabo namhlanje. We have enjoyed ilanga lethu, siyabonga ku-Engaging Life team ukuba nami, siyabonga kakhulu.
Siyabonga nathi.
Mina nje sayidini lami mangifika mina ngiye ngaba disappointed, angifuni ukukhuluma amanga because siye sawasenda ama-invites and sawathola ama-RSVPs, so kahle kahle bese expecte maybe a minimum of 50 people. So manje nami nje kusukela izolo abantu bayaqala bayakhansela, omunye unani omunye uneni, omunye ekhaya, omunye umsebenzi. So nje this morning bese ngazi ngilindela abantu cishe abayi-10 kuphela on my side. So ma ezingiza lana endleleni kwakhansela abantu abayi-3, ngithi hayibo uNkulunkulu kwenzakalani. So kahle kahle into yenzeke ngeplan likaNkulunkulu.
Yes.
So it happened as it was supposed to, njengoba eshilo nomama loyana ukuthi uze lana azikahle ukuthi i-crowd ayikho, i-audience ayikho, but manje laba abantu bebakhona. Wow.
Yes.
Yo, they were so powerful. Yo yabona yikho ukuthi umoya ongcwele asikhona ukubona ngesandla, but laba abantu bebakhona, I know bayawumuva umoya ongcwele kangangokuthi yabona nje i-mission ne-vision Unshakable bayikhulume nje ngathi vele they were part of it. By the time ngifika nje ukuthi lapho sengiyayendlala nani already umsebenzi bese bewenzile. So nje Engaging Life siyabonga ngakho konke abakwenzile. Yo Pastor Undu, yo I know yazini mina amagama nginawo vele, but I know ba powerful abanye abantu, uyasho nje ukuthi hayi mase ngimdala ngifuna ukufana naye.
You know what? Ukufakazela like lathizwi many are called but few are chosen.
Yes.
I for one, yes, being a pastor and being of your host, your Engaging Life, Pastor Chris, mfundo olukhulu to this movement EUQM ukuthi singaba abantu besilisa but uNkulunkulu omama ubabizele phambili kuba kuJesu makazovuka ethuneni bekunabo mama. You understand? So I'm one person honored to ukuthi ngibe nabo mama today, and nami ngizofunda, you know, Pastor Chris.
Yeah, no, it's good. Nami manje lekhona incwadi engibamba Esther chapter 4 verse 16 and 17.
Wow.
Esther wadelay isikhathi inkosi indoda ifuna ukumbulala because Esther was unshakable.
Yes.
Esifunayo kwabantu besimama bangahlushwa izimo bathi ke in spite of the situation uzovuka and do the best of my life. And that's what they do. With a program there. When I was at RSVP, you have missed out.
Yeah. I think abantu should understand and learn ukuthi RSVP I mean baleke ngalendlela there's ama logistics abekiwe. I think people should learn about that, and they should convey that ukuthi there's finance involved khona lapho, and most of all time consuming. So kubalulekile Pastor Chris masithi RSVP ngempela. And if we are absent, makube valid because mama attendanga khona umphefumulo olimazayo lalela leke lathizwe lilanga lapho ezekhona isithembiso Gospel.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke ngokusimamela, siyabonga ukuthi si-invite la, and we've really enjoyed ourselves. The food was on another level.
The food.
Wow. Thank you.
Yes, it's not about us, but it's about these two queens. Your last remarks and your closing statement.
So engibonile nje namhlanje i-audience esibe nayo, they are already unshakable laba bantu. They are so unshakable, they are unbreakable, they are unyieldable, and nje yibo vele abantu esizobe sisebenza nabo. So uma ukuthi kunomuntu odinga usizo, izandla zivulekile. So kunale saying yokuthi amasimu maningi or insimu amabele avuthiwe kuswele umuntu ozowavuna. So isivuno si-ready. So nje ilokho kuphela engakusho.
Amazwi ami okugcina ethi unshakable, we are unstoppable. we are moving
Amen.
forward. The Spirit of the Lord always flows.
And then eyokugcina ama plans wethu ukuthi sihlangane every month. So manje ngenxa ukuthi amaZayoni ano Good Friday manje ngo March ama budget already sewa tied ku Good Friday sizohlangana futhi ngo April but sizokhuluma. So if page lethu liyeza I YouTube account, ibiza YouTube account and it's YouTube channel iyeza, it's under construction, izobibizwa nge-Unshakable Queens Movement, so please look out for it. Ulike, usubscribe and ucommente, and then individually okwamanje sisatholakala kuma social media pages accounts wethu. Ku TikTok ngikhona mina nguzandile Mncwango, and then ku Facebook ngikhona nguzandile Khulu sase umuntu oyedwa. And then I'm very active on LinkedIn. Umuntu angilandele ngiposta izinto ezi very constructive. And then ku Instagram, even though ngikhona, but it may take a while to respond because I'm not very active there. So Zandile Mncwango, Zandile Khulu, and email zandiphkhulu@gmail.com.
Ngiyatholakala ku TikTok account Prophetess Helen kuyo. Ku Facebook I'm not active kakhulu. Musenzeni yende ku Facebook but nje kakhulu ngiyatholakala ku TikTok. Gmail account yami musenzeni yende 45@gmail.com.
Listen, ngizoloko ngibabona agcini namhlanje. Remember, subscribe, like ipage More Zion Music. That's where you'll find these beautiful queens. More Zion Music, and also visit our TikTok page at Engaging Life.
Yeah, satholakala leseredo. Ungasifuna every Thursday sikhona live 6 to 9.
Yes.
6 until 9. Sons of Azania. It's on online radio. Uzosithola khona lapho. Engaging Life, where life matters. Sekashilo o prophetess. Ukuthi uPastor Chris uhlala thini. The Spirit of the Lord always flows
Upon the face of the deep.